Hey G Squad, welcome back to another of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what these are some cordless stick vacuum. So you can see for both of these is from the same exact brand. For the one that we got right here, this is the Powerseries Plus, and for this one Powerseries Extreme. But you see the way how they designed the product is actually very similar. They give you guys like the dustbin option, the power button, the self-standing option, the LED light, and everything else. And when you guys do use both of these products, it does have a really strong suction power that's on here. But if you guys were to compare this one versus this one, I do feel like this one's actually much more powerful, and I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. But definitely the way how they design both of these cordless stick vacuum allow you guys to actually suck up a lot of stuff, whether if it's like trash, if it's like cereal, if it's like pet hair, it should be strong enough for all of that, especially for this one in particular. And if you guys can see in the bottom of the product, they do have a built-in LED light, so that way when you guys are actually using a dark setting, you guys can see where you're vacuuming. But in terms of the power that we do have, both of them are actually very similar. For the one that we got right here is 20V, and this one right here is also 20V as well. And obviously, in order for you to get that 20V option, you guys need to turn it to max speed or max power when you guys do use it. And for both of these vacuums, they do have a built-in filter, so that way you guys can actually wash it and clean it every time once you guys finish it, or maybe once a week. And because of how strong the suction power is on here, you guys can definitely use it on hardwood floor, carpet, or any other surface as well. So when you guys turn to the back, in the back part here, they do probably got some more specs as well. So for this one, they mentioned how it actually runs up to 44 minutes if you guys use it in the lowest setting. And for this one, I'm assuming it runs around the same time as well, since it does use the same kind of power. But the thing about this one versus this one is the fact that for this one actually has a removable battery that you guys can take out to actually recharge it if you guys want to separately, or you guys can plug it directly into the actual vacuum to recharge it as well. In terms of the tool or accessory that's provided for you guys, there's a slight difference. This one only gives you guys one of the tool, and this one gives you guys two. On top of that, they do give you guys the option to actually mount it onto the vacuum, which I already have it all set up, so I'll show you guys in a second. But for this one, we actually have the tool inside, so I'm going to take it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the tool looks like. So basically for this tool, it comes for this one. And they also provide guys the wall mount option if you guys do want to use it. And they do provide guys some screws to actually mount it as well. And obviously for both of these, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. But because the product actually has a built-in self-standing option, you guys don't need to actually use the wall mount option if you guys don't want to. And obviously for both of them, they do give you guys the charging cable for you guys to recharge it. So that is basically everything that's on the package right here. Now I'm going to show you guys the actual vacuum to show you guys what it actually looks like side by side. Alright, so once you guys put both of them side by side, here is basically what the product looks like. So for this one right here is basically what the cable looks like for this one. Whereas for the other one, which is Extreme, which is the blue one, here is basically what the charging cable looks like. So they basically provide guys two ways to use it. You guys can either put this inside, or you can take it out. If you guys do take this part out, it's actually much more easier for you guys to recharge it. And the way how you guys recharge it is basically putting it in the back right here. So just like that, you basically want to plug this in to actually use it. But right here, you see we do have the Extreme vacuum option. So right here is basically what I was talking about earlier, how they do give you guys a tool to mount it onto the vacuum. And they do give you guys two different accessories right here for you guys to use if you guys do want to. But right here is basically what the vacuum looks like once you guys set it up. So right here, we do have the bottom part. Right here, we do have the dustbin or trash bin option. Top part right here, we do have a button for you guys to turn it off and turn it on. And right here, we do have the switch for you guys to change the different mode from low to high. Back part right here, we do have the battery compartment for you guys to put the battery inside. And right here in the back, they do have a filter for you guys to replace if you guys do need to. And for the front part right here, we do have the indicator light to show you guys when it's on or off, and when you guys are using different mode on here. And then right here, you see we do have the dustbin option that you can take it out. And the way how you guys pour it out is actually very easy. You basically want to push the button at the bottom, and that will open it up. So that way you can pour out the trash if you guys do need to. But once you guys are done, you guys can close it back up, just like that. And for the top part right here, you do have the option to take it out to wash it if you guys do need to. And right here, we do have the filter that's inside that is also washable as well. So once you guys are done, you guys can put this back inside, just like that. Whereas right here, we do have the other one. So for this one, we do have the bottom part right here. We do have the LED light. We do have the roller wheel option. And right here, we do have the pole or the stick. Top part right here, we see we do have the dustbin option. And right here, we do have the button for you guys to turn it off or turn it on and change the different mode right here. And right here, we do have the indicator light. So we have to turn it on. If you can see right here, we do have the indicator light to show you guys the battery percentage that's on here. And right here, we do have the button for you to push to take out the dustbin. So let's push it. You guys can take it out really easy. You basically want to take this part out, so that way you can pour out the trash. So for this one, it's not as convenient as the other one where there's a button for you guys to push to pour out the trash. This one, I need to take this part out. But inside right here, you can see we do have the filter for you to take out and wash it. You can see right here. So once you guys are done, you can put it back inside. and close it back up. Top part right here, you can see we do have the slot where to plug in the cable to recharge it. And in the back part right here is basically where it's mounted on the wall if you guys want to use the wall mount option. And the way how to design both of these vacuum, it does allow you guys to actually bend it. Let me show you guys what I mean. So right now, you can see it standing up by itself because it does have that self-standing option. But if you guys bend it, if you guys bring it all the way down, if you see how it actually goes pretty far down, so that way if you guys want to vacuum underneath like a sofa or anywhere else, you do have the option available. And for both of these vacuum, you do have the option to bring it left and right. So that way you can use it to reach hard to reach places. But now let's turn on both of them to show you guys what it actually looks like side by side. So we have to press the power button for both of them. You can see how the light does turn on when you guys do turn it on. But now I'm going to show you guys what it actually sounds like on the lowest setting or lowest power. So let's start with this one right here first. Now let's try this one. So in here for this one, it's slightly louder because it's a lot more powerful than this one. But now let's try it in the high setting. Now for this one. If you guys can hear, for this one, it's actually pretty powerful as well. And obviously when you guys do the product, it actually works pretty well to help you guys suck out all the dust, your hair, and etc. So if you guys do actually use it, let me show you guys what it actually looks like. That is basically what the product sounds like and what it actually looks like when you guys do use it. And then obviously once you guys are done, you guys can definitely pour out the trash and put this on one side to charge it up or whatever. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. You can see everything on here actually works pretty well and actually looks pretty nice once you guys do set it up. But now that we show you guys the comparison of both of these, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for both of these, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market are looking for a high quality cordless stick vacuum, then I do have to say that both of these are actually pretty worth it. But if you guys want my honest opinion in terms of which one is the better choice to go for, in terms of the overall performance and everything else that's included for you, obviously the extreme option is a lot more better because they do give you guys a lot of different options available. Such as for the fact for the suction power is actually pretty strong. They give you guys the accessory to actually hold the product on the side. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, this one definitely feels like a higher quality material. And like I mentioned, for this one, they also give you guys the option to take out the battery to actually recharge it, or you can charge it directly on here as well. So if you guys have to do a comparison between both of these in terms of which one is the better choice to go for, obviously this one is the better choice to go for if you guys do have the budget. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't wanted these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.